Hey folks, Jim here. Alrighty, so far I have my plate cut. Of course, you know, I had that other part cut. Right now, when I made it nicer, so it's you know, round, and still need to put the hole in the bottom here. I was wondering, do I do it while I should use the plastic cutter. I still may. But put it away, and then I thought later on, well, anyway, then I thought, well, I could just cut a couple of holes, you know, around with my drill press over there, and then knock them out. But I'll probably go back to the plasma cutter. But what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting them. I cut everything, you know, so it's round. Now I'm cutting a groove in there so that I can, you know, when I weld, it has easier penetration. It'll just, you know, it's already partway there, right? So anyway, so this is all I'm doing, not doing anything totally crazy. I have just my regular grinding disc right there, like that. I'll show you here. Don't worry, folks. I have my safety underpants on. My eyes will be fine. So anyway, here you go. If you got my other video, the one where I was messing with the fire and stuff, you know, you'll know I'm not too darn worried about that there. But anyway, here's what we have so far. Right? And there's my groove cut all the way around. Well, I put 2 tack welds to hold everybody in place. I don't know where the other one's at. Well, there's one right there, just a little, you know, that's it. Oh, I'm supposed to put up here. There you go, and then the opposite one somewhere. Gosh dang it. I don't know where it's at now, but I have 2 of them. I know I do. Here's one. So you'd think somewhere. Oh, I got a little mental there and cut through it. Oh well. Anyway, it's still holding together, so we win. I'm gonna go ahead and weld. I should, you know, I could cut this a little. There's a slight edge here from grinding, but and I have to fill that hole because there was a screw hole in the plate that I cut out. It's down there. There's 4 screws. I don't know what it was for. It had a big old hole in it, obviously to hold something. But anyway, so once I get done welding, then I'll dress things up a little nicer. And really, you don't have to, but it's just kind of weird in my head if I don't. So, that is warm from all that grinding. Anyway, so next one will be welding, and I'm not going to clean up the outside of this part here, but when I do my weld, I'll probably just give this here a little bit of knockoff there. Why? Well, kind of for safety, you know, because if you get caught in there, you know, it's probably going to be fine anyway. So, that's it for now. We're going to go and watch some wrestling in Rochester. In an hour, we're going to take off, and then I'm going to go to the Menards and get some chimney pipe because my chimney is falling apart. But anyway, there you go, folks. Thanks for coming along. It's been fun, and we'll do it again. Thank you. And